Welcome, this is Joy from Atelier Joy. Today I'm going to walk you through fabricating a Wild at Heart Valentine tote. So one of the Atelier Joy patterns is the Valentine tote. And as I fabricated it originally a couple of years ago, it's a pretty traditional applique. I used a zigzag stitch on my machine and some pastel quilting cottons. But I really wanted to give it a modern take, something a little bit edgier. So I'm taking this thrifted skirt. The snaps were busted, but I loved the fabric. And I'm going to use that on a black canvas to make this Valentine tote really pop with some bright colors. And I'm also using an uneven blanket stitch with embroidery floss instead of doing a machine zigzag stitch. This will give a slightly funkier edge to that applique. The rest of the fabrication goes exactly as described in the instructions. You make the lining, you make the exterior, put them together with the straps in between. And it's also got a little interior pocket for credit card, a little bit of cash. It stitches up pretty quickly and it makes a great gift or just a tote for you to wear Valentine's Day, February, any time of year where you want to celebrate love. So there you have it, the new take on the Valentine tote, the Wild at Heart tote. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll be adding more tutorials on a regular basis.